G'day, it's Brett here again from Your Laundry, and this is another little short video on Huebsch Command. And today we're going to be looking at the little green Huebsch tab here, the Huebsch Logo tab. So when you click that, there's actually a lot of other different menus down the left hand side there, but we're just going to focus on a couple of them, the couple of the main ones that most people will be using. And this one here is a little gem. So that little resources tab there, when you click that, that actually has some more tabs which then go into deeper segments, and they actually will have videos on how to use command at a deeper level. You know, so this one, for instance, is a video about programming and how to change the programs on the machine. So that is a very, very handy little tool when especially when you first start using Huebsch Command. Huebsch Command is very intuitive naturally, but there'll be things that some people just can't get their head around. So there's a little video there on each of those which will show you how to use them. Okay. Then you may or may not have noticed there's also chat support here. So that little link there will take you to chat support. Now that chat support is powered by Alliance Laundry, and that is actually available to you as a Huebsch owner 365 days a year, 24 hours a day. Okay, so if you've got any questions about Huebsch Command, not sure how to do something, having issues, that is your little lifeline there. So you can either use that chat support there or submit the trouble ticket through this system as well. So a couple of little tips there. I hope they help.